the fan is on, and I'm not sorry, because it is that hot. It is so hot I am willing to sacrifice my audio quality because it is that hot. Godot 4. We've all been waiting for it. But when will it arrive? Well, no one really knows. It's sort of it happens when it happens kind of thing. But I have managed to get one of my secret operatives into Godot headquarters and download their database, and I have acquired the most recent development of Godot 4. Did I mention it's hot? And I'm also kind of sick, so I don't think it's coronavirus. Don't worry, I'm vaccinated. Okay, let's just look at Godot 4. Okay, here it is. Godot 4. We're in the project window. Things look pretty similar. There are some definite, immediately apparent aesthetic differences. We've got some, the color's a little different, and we've got some sort of rounded edges and stuff. Looks more modern. Looks good. Let's create a new project. Let me just take care of this. Alright, I've created my project folder, and as you can see, we can choose between OpenGLES2, which is like for mobile stuff, I guess, and Vulkan, which will replace GLES3, and it's better, apparently. Oh yeah, so Vulkan is basically the new epic thing that everyone's excited over for Godot 4, because it's like better. It has like occlusion culling, which I think just means it doesn't render stuff that's not in the camera's field of view, so that should help with performance and stuff. And apparently it also just looks way better. And of course there are a bunch of other new features with Godot 4. Oh yeah, have I even explained like what's happening? Godot 4 is going to come out at some point within the next few months, probably, hopefully, and it's going to have lots of new features, and people are excited, and I'm excited, and I've been sort of debating whether or not I want to use Godot 4 to make my game Heavens Above, or if I want to wait until Godot 4 comes out. But yeah, all right, let's create and edit. It's taking a little while to load. I imagine that's because it's like, oh, here we go. Hold on, it's not showing up in the thing. There it is. Godot 4. If I move my camera, we see 4.0.dev. So yeah, it's not an official release. It's just it's nightly build. So first look at the interface. Looks much more modern. I quite like it. I don't really like the color scheme that much, to be honest. It looks sort of depressing. But yeah, oh yeah, if we zoom out, we see the grid just extends infinitely. Oh, well, not infinitely, but it's oh, this green thing is flashing. I assume that's a bug. There's going to be lots of bugs, lots of unfinished bits, because obviously this is not an official release yet. So yeah, all right, let's try creating a thing. Should we make a game? That's gonna be too much work. I don't have the brain capacity for that right now. But I'll just try making a new scene. And we can make it any kind of scene. So yeah, something they've changed in Godot 4 is they're basically going to change. Oh yeah, so in modern versions of Godot, 3D nodes are sort of treated like especially like in regards to their names, and then 2D nodes are specifically labeled 2D, and so one of the things they've done is they've just sort of made it so that they're treated as equals. So you see we have animated sprite 2D, we have bone 2D, we have collision shape 2D, and now we have everything 3D, whereas before it wouldn't have the 3D. It would just say the thing, and the only way you could the only way you could tell it was different is with this little orange icon. So it just makes it more consistent. I think that's a lot of what they've been doing. I think is renaming things to be more consistent, which is important. You know, better, yeah, sooner than later, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, let's see what. Let's just make let's just have a generic node 3D. That's good. If we look at these, okay, yeah, this looks. I don't know how well it comes across on the screen. Oh yeah, you can see it. Maybe. There's like, you have these little like shaded boxes. Yeah, things look more or less the same, but more modern, and I quite like it. I quite like the aesthetics. I don't like these pastel colors. Actually, I'm gonna change the theme. If you saw my live stream that I did a couple weeks ago. Oh yeah, there was no video last week. I'm all over the place. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm tired and I'm sick. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I didn't upload a video last week because I just had too many. I had too many things happening. Okay, let's change my I don't like that. How it doesn't highlight. I think that might be a glitch. Editor. Yeah, it seems a little sluggish, but I'm assuming that's not real. They're gonna fix it. Alright, it didn't actually save the scene because I don't think I actually ever saved the scene. So let me just save a scene. Here's our scene. Let's see if we can attach a script. So here's the code. Here's the code. Here's the code, guys. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. Something that they've changed is onReadyVar is now no longer a thing. You don't do it like that anymore. You have to do at onReadyVar, and then you can type in your node expected variable type. What? Oh, I'm stupid. Guys, I'm so tired right now. Yeah. And then, come on. There we go. And then you could, there you go. That's how you write code, people. Welcome to my TED Talk. And then, yeah. And then we can say like, I don't know, if oh, print looks different. It used to be red before, I think. Now it's blue. That's weird. Yeah, the text actually, a lot of the colors of the text are different. So that's strange, I guess. I don't know, it makes certain things more clear, like before it was like, you know, like if and else would be the same color of red as like true and func. Now they're different, so I guess it helps differentiate. I don't know. Whatever, we'll see. Obviously, a lot of these things are still subject to change. Let's run our program. So it's invisible. I'm gonna play the scene. Nothing happens. Wait, I'm sorry, what? Invalid get index visible on base previously freed? I've never seen that before. Okay, so I think the problem might be that it's referencing the root node. If you really wanted to do that, it would just be if visible, which I don't think that's a. I think that's a thing in 3 as well. I don't think. I think that's just me not knowing how to write code. Hey, look. What? things. There we go. It printed things. What I should have done is I should have just made like I don't know what I'm doing. This wasn't what we were here for anyways. Yeah, this was a bad idea, making this video. I'm way too out of it to actually. I don't even. Okay, I'm gonna. I don't think I'm gonna use this to make my game. It's buggy. It's laggy. Obviously, this is like a pre-alpha build. Once it comes out, it's gonna. It'll be great. Okay, guys, it'll be fantastic. Wish I knew when it was gonna come out so I could decide whether or not I wanna, like wait for it, because I don't know how easy it's gonna be to, migrate my project over when it's available. But we'll see. I'll fiddle with this more off screen. I feel like I'm forgetting something. So anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.